sa isa, wala na po. Wala na niya, mga tao. Wala ka po ron. Live ko balik sa doon. Ayaw. Wow! Ako'y bagong doggy. Bagong papi.
Thank you sa mga bumisita sa akin live. Andito ako sa live ni Inday dyan. Pareho lang naman. Uy, ano siguro talaga ngayon. Walang tao. Mga friends ko rin, wala naman tao sa live. Egg with a munchy milk syrup. Actually, I didn't drink milk. I just drink choco and coffee. I don't like much milk. I don't like to drink milk. Nasusuka ako, Lods. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang. Basta ako eh. Hindi ko kayang uminom ng milk. Nasusuka ako. Nalulunok ko naman siya. Kaso lang, pagtapos, sumusuka din ako. Hindi ko alam at ganyan ako. Kaya iniinom ko ano lang, Milo, choco, kape, ganyan. Actually, yung coffee nga eh, I don't like the creamy coffee. Gusto ko yung parang pure coffee na medyo matapang siya. I don't like the creaminess siya. Hindi ko alam, nasusuka kasi ako pag creamy. Pero yung ibang creamy, nilulunok ko yun. I hope you enjoyed your food and drinks and you are looking good. Hi, Alan. Thank you. Actually, I'm done eating my boiled egg and bread and coffee. But yeah, I'm not done eating yet. Later, I'm gonna eat again rice. Because I can't live without eating rice in the morning. I love heavy breakfast always. And also in the lunch, I eat rice. Also dinner. Sometimes snack, I eat rice. Rice is life. Putting a powder on my face because I hate my face being so oily. I hate it. So I'm gonna put it powder. Thank you guys sa palike dyan. 6 na likes. Kaloka kayo.